You'll have to really stack. We'll probably pull the very top here just a little bit. Thank you. Gotta get behind. Put this in the middle. Yeah, if you come back here, I think we can try to catch up to you. Well, all the shots are on this side. Yeah, we're getting about evened up. Looking like the rain through the back there.
All right, wagon driver.
Yeah, we gotta leave this stuff out. I think it's all right there out at the bottom. Still right there. There's airport through there.
And just follow the instructions.
I'll say this one might be bad.
Well, got to go on a big hole, small holes, it is seal up. But if it's big, put a patch on